Hello world! Today we are going to make cocoa balls from the Dominican Republic. It is believed that the Dominican Republic has some of the best cocoa in the world. Cocoa beans are crushed and rolled into balls. Cocoa balls from the Dominican Republic have a rich taste and a unique aroma, and it contains a lot of useful substances. Take a ball, grate it. 1 tablespoon of grated cocoa is half of a large ball. The more you add it to the glass, the richer the flavor will be. Locals love a glass of milk, even 2 balls. Then consider yourself drinking hot chocolate. Add sugar to taste. Add hot milk. And mix the ingredients. Put the best mixture in a saucepan on the fire and bring to a boil, but do not boil. You can also add condensed milk, nutmeg, coconut milk, almonds or vanilla sugar, cinnamon, to make the drink more. Thick cream can be used instead of milk. Gorgeous chocolate milkshakes for you. Subscribe to my channel. Put likes, write comments. Thank you for watching to the end.